Hey guys, I'm back and I have another video for you. This one is going to be a color explosion. Now, the things you're going to need is some milk, and you can use regular milk. I don't have regular milk in my house because I don't drink it. So I have almond milk. And you're going to need some food coloring, but I don't have food coloring. I have watercoloring. But that works just fine too. And you're gonna need some dish soap. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna open my milk. And you can use like a baking pan or something, or a bowl, whatever you have, you can use to do this. So, open my milk. I'm gonna pour some in there to cover the whole bottom. Okay. I have my milk in there. Now I'm going to take a few drops of my food coloring, watercoloring, my coloring. I'm going to drop it in one little area. So I don't want to put too much. I'm going to like drop. I don't want to squeeze it. Drop. Okay, well, maybe I will squeeze it. Okay, and it's all in that little area. Next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna take my dish soap, open it up, and I'm gonna give it a drop. Look at the color. Now it's stretching across the almond milk. And it's making orange, it looks like. It was red when I put it in, but now it's turning orange. I wonder if it's because I mixed green dish soap with a reddish color liquid. Let's see, look. It's stretching all the way over. Let me see, let me zoom in. You see it moving? That's so cool. You can try this at home too. This one is still going. It sort of looks like tree branches. What does it look like to you? Or like some things from your eyes, some pupils or something. I don't know. That's cool. Alright, that was all guys. Bye.